Hi, Top Man 511 Repairs Limited, and on the bench today I have a Sansui AU-2900 from the year 1975, which was probably Sansui's pinnacle year. That's when they were really pushing out some really good stuff, probably their best stuff. But yeah, and you can see in this example here, I mean, the knobs are solid metal, absolute quality. So what have you got? You've got a phono input, tuner input, an auxiliary input. You've got another input you can use, they've called it tape. And you hit, this is a stereo mono button, so if you want to hear it in mono, just press that button there. You've got your volume knob, balance, treble, bass. This is your power. As soon as you turn it on, it's on speaker A. LED comes on to show that it's on. Then you've got off. That turns your speakers off, and you can listen to your headphones through there. And then you've got that for a set of B speakers, and then you could play all two pairs of speakers at the same time, which I probably wouldn't recommend, but that functions there anyway. You've got your loudness button, which I love. So the loudness is something that boosts the low and high frequencies at low volume, gives it that sort of nice sort of powerful sound when it's at low volume. Yeah, nice. And then you've got your high filter here. This cuts a little bit of treble off at the top. I think they normally use that when you playing vinyl, really, or yeah, I think it's more when you're playing vinyl, really. Something that I don't normally would use. I'd leave that off. Inside the main board here, you've got the power supply on there. You've got a transformer here. You've got your rectifier there. Your filter caps here. This is the main power amp section here with your output transistors here. And here is your phono stage. And this is your preamplifier with your volume and tone controls. At the back, you've got your inputs here on RCAs. And you can see, look, I've fitted some for speaker A only. I've fitted some 4mm jack connectors here for the common speaker connections. I haven't done it on the B speaker selects because I don't think you should be running two pairs of speakers on here. As I said, it's 15 watts per channel, but it punches above that. It can go a lot higher than that. When I say a lot, you can probably go to 17 watts. And I'm just bringing that up now. Let's bring that up. I'll do it to here. You can see, look, a nice clean sine wave on the scope. This is the power output on my analyzers here. So I've got 16.7 watts coming out one end, 16.53 coming out the other. Probably just a balance control there to make them even, but you would never notice that. That can't be that cannot be analysed by the brain or the ears, what you want to call it. But let's have a look at the distortion here. And 0.0477, and on here 0.0548. Both excellent readings, and the reason why I say that is because to the book it's 0.3, right? Not 0.04 or 0.05, it's 0.3. So this amp is well in spec. It's like it's brand new. So this will be going on eBay, and hopefully some lucky buyer will have this, and I'm sure the person who buys this will be very happy. I didn't tell you how it sounds. I mean, you can't play music over YouTube because you you won't tell if it sounds good or bad, yeah? You're hearing it for your own equipment or your own, whatever you're listening it through, I don't know. But it sounds lovely, right? And I'm not saying that because I'm trying to sell it. I buy broken amplifiers, I fix them, I turn them around, I make a little bit of money, but I don't buy stuff to sell if I don't think it's any good. So I do truly love the sound of this. I've been listening to some music through some professional headphones, and the sound was a very warm. It had that nice bass and a sparkly treble. I had the loudness on. I do love the loudness button on, but the tone controls were flat, the filter off. Yeah, enjoyable sound. And I think it looks nuts. It looks absolutely quality. It's not over the top. It's actually quality. Yeah, it's a seller. Whoever buys this will be happy, I'm sure. Thanks for watching.